Going on, y'all? It's your boy IC the 4 over here at Greenland Park, and we're doing a nature video of me walking, maybe talking a bit, getting some pictures on the way, and here we go. See y'all on the other side. So if I remember, like 3 months ago, I used to cross over here, get some pictures. I'll pop up one right now, but it's like a little cross. Not really supposed to cross here, but you can if you want. I think it's pretty cool, and obviously it's grown a lot since then, but yeah. Get a picture. Okay, made it. Used to be blue bonnets over here a couple months ago, but obviously it's not springtime anymore, so. Okay, well that's good enough. I'm not trying to spend all my time trying to get pictures of this little field. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait a minute. Made it. All right, so I made it to the Greenland Park. Get some pictures. Hopefully you enjoyed that little fast walk all the way over here. Wasn't for me at least, but get an exercise. Here we go, here's our first one. Well, I wasn't hoping it was gonna be this deep still, but fortunately it is. Just enjoy the nice water. Sun setting. Kind of wish I was higher up, but some more water. Kind of want to figure out what's over there now. We're going for the video. Oh god. Okay. I really don't know where this goes. I'm really just walking right now. No picture worthy stuff yet. I mean, it's nice. Ooh, I got a little cooler. Should we go or should we not? Should we go or should we not? I'm talking to y'all through the main camera. Should we go or should we not? Yes, no, maybe so. We're going. Alright. Pretty cool. It leads to over there. We'll save that for another part of the video. Okay, well, this is where it starts getting narrow, and this is when we turn back. We'll save that for another day. All this for another day. It's getting a little dawnish. Just wanted to get this in the video, see how it goes, see if this turns into a serious. Could be not. Not just this trail, but many other trails. Getting pictures on the way of walking and popping in a boom like that. Hey, look, it's the way to get out of here. I have to walk all the way around. Kind of want to, kind of don't. Let's just go around. Some more video, you know. So, should have picked that up. Yeah, I just love grass on my legs. Yes. I'm joking. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna speed it up right about now. It's pretty cool. Nature everywhere. Oh my god. Hello. Scared me, my bad. I was talking to the camera and I was like, what? Nah, it's okay. Excuse me. There we go. Yes, hello. Anyways, I got tons of nature back here. It's not too bad. But, this concludes the video. I'm gonna speed it back up right about now. Take a picture of this real quick. You know, just trying to show y'all what is back here. Let me get another shot of over here. I don't want this to become disappointing. You know what? Doing it for the video. We're going down a bit. Oh, I'm definitely taking a shower as soon as I get home. So I've become accustomed to staying inside. It's unfortunate. I used to like going outside a lot, but tie my shoe real quick before we take off again. Balance my water bottle if I can. Hey, there we go. All right, on our way back, the main path. Let's get a picture right here. Why not? Oh yeah, y'all gonna like this one. It's not like a, you know, crazy picture, but oh no. The shoe came off. Okay, well, get my shoe back on. I got balance though. Could have slid down, but you know, your boy's got that balance. I don't know where I got it from. I think from running cross country for so many years, but I got it. Time to get home. And I ran across. Alright, we're back here. Glad I got that balance. If I did not have that balance, that would have been tragic. Whoa, what is that? You see that? That's a crappie. You see it? I don't know if you can. It's right there going under the rock. Pretty cool. Got some fish in here. Anyway. Alright, let's go back. What time is it? It is currently 8:21. Going back right on time. Hoping there was more of a sunset today, but unfortunately there isn't. So that's all we got today. Well, there's only gonna be one part to this. Speed it up a lot. Do have a cool picture of this spot right here. I'll take another one because last time I took it was back in I believe February. Spend some time. Oh, this will look nice. Here, I got you. There we go. All right, let's finish this walk up. Maybe get another one right here. So my GoPro just died, but halfway when I was about to show y'all the difference from when it was all snowy and compared to now. So I'll get that for you next. Okay, so here's the difference. This is on the iPhone now. This concludes today's video. I'll let the outro play now. Alright y'all, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to give a like, subscribe for more content. This is not all that's coming out to the channel. This might turn into the series of me walking, taking pictures, showing you while I'm walking, and then later on, possibly going to my Instagram page, or you're seeing it before my Instagram page. So that's always a bonus. But if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment if you want. Tell me what you thought, what you think I should do. Need some suggestions. And alrighty, y'all. Make sure to subscribe. Catch y'all later. Stay hydrated. It's good for the mind. And peace. Enjoy your day. Yes, you behind the screen.